Today we're going to talk about how to pair your Android device via Bluetooth to your new Macan Electric. To do so, there are two different ways. One is through phone and the other is through devices. For this first part, we'll go through phone. Select the phone icon and then select Connect Phone. On your mobile device, pull down again, and select Bluetooth. Scroll down until you find your vehicle. There'll be a pairing request on your mobile device. Select Pair. On the PCM, select Confirm. Make sure the two codes match up. On the PCM, it's asking permission to exchange data between the car and your mobile device. Select Yes, I agree to start Android Auto. On the mobile device, it's asking for access to messages. Select Allow, and access to contacts. Also, select Allow. Now we're going to use the second method, which is devices. We're also going to show you how to manage two devices at one time on your new Macan Electric. Select the devices icon and then connect new device. On your mobile device, you can swipe down again and select Bluetooth. And you're waiting for your vehicle to show up there. You can select it on your phone. And you'll have a Bluetooth pairing request on your mobile device. Select Pair. On your PCM, you'll select Confirm. On the PCM, there is a permissions pop-up that comes up. Would you like to allow the phone and the car to exchange data? Select Yes, I agree. On your mobile device, would you like to allow access to messages? Allow. And would you like to allow access to contacts? Select Allow there as well. Now let's go back to our Devices menu and talk about how to manage two devices at one time. Now here you can see we're connected via Android Auto, and we have an Apple device that's also connected. If you would like to switch which one of these you would like to use, all you have to do is select the button. And now the vehicle will use Apple CarPlay if you have another Apple device connected. If you had a second Android device, it would operate exactly the same. Also, if you would like to choose one of them to be your Bluetooth music source or be the main device you use for phones. And you can press this phone icon to enable either one for the main phone usage. You can also select the three dots at the end and change these settings as well. I would like for this phone to be my preferred phone, so I'm going to select that there, and you'll notice the star on the side. And I'd also like to use Android Auto. You can now connect your Android device via Bluetooth to the new Macan Electric.